Hi guys, so nakita nyo na ba yung new packaging na SNJ Beauty sunscreen, which is this one? They actually have the tinted and this is the regular sunscreen. By the way guys, I'm not into heavy makeups and I'm only using that kapag may importanteng lakad or events. And I always consider wearing light makeups only. And those are sunscreen and lip and cheek tint. So yun lang naman yung ginagamit ko. Ayoko kasi ng feeling ng ang bigat ng makeup sa face. It's not comfy, lalo na dito sa bansa natin na sobrang init. So let's talk about the sunscreen. This one has SPF 50 plus and sobrang lightweight niya. Hindi siya mahirap i-blend sa skin. So gamit ko na siya ngayon. And most importantly, yung mga ingredients na meron siya. Meron tong niacinamide which we all know that helps to treat acne and improve skin texture. Meron din tong alpha-arbutin that helps to brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. And then the last one, ang sodium hyaluronate, which we all know that helps to reduce wrinkles and hydration. So the ingredients are perfect for our skin and perfect din to for on the go. Ito na guys yung ginagamit ko in a daily basis. So you guys can try this one. Bye!